In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up NordVPN on Asus router. So on routers to download a VPN, it is quite tricky, but not anymore because I'm going to be providing you exactly how you can get it done. So NordVPN services come with various different type of platform compatibility. Now before you download, you can get 70% off on NordVPN, by the way, using the link in the description, so make sure to check that out before proceeding. You can see we have this option, and this is showing options for smartphones, browsers, TV, gadgets and others. So this is the one that we need, and once I click onto this option which says router, you can see it is going to be taking me to a page which is saying set up VPN on your router. So this is exactly that we need, and you can see we can also see some router visuals over here. So whether your router is Asus or any other company, you can download it for that. So make sure to give a try for that. It is going to be completely compatible. And yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.